Today I'm going to show you how to remove every silence in your video in literally 1 minute with AutoCut. Cutting silences by hand can take you hours. With AutoCut Silences, you save all that time in just a few clicks. Let's go. Open AutoCut Silences. Select your section on the timeline along with the audio tracks linked to your footage. Then click directly on Validate Sections. Now, the most important part, configuration and settings. First, set your noise threshold. That's the level below which a sound counts as silence. You can adjust it manually like this, or just click Calculate by AI and let AutoCut do it for you. And honestly, it's super precise. Now, pick a pacing preset. You've got plenty of options: calm, measured, paced, energetic, or jumpy. It instantly sets how dynamic your cuts feel. You can also create your own custom pacing preset if you often film in the same studio with a similar audio gain, for example. I personally go with energetic a lot to keep things dynamic without going too fast. And if you want, you can also set the pacing manually right below by entering the number of milliseconds you want for each. Basically, remove silences longer than and keep talks longer than lets you decide how long a silence has to be before it gets removed and how much speech stays untouched. And the margins before and after add a small buffer of silence around each cut for a more natural feel. And if you want to avoid cuts that are too close together, turn on minimum time between cuts. It keeps a minimum gap between two cuts, kind of like a safety net. I'd recommend turning it on if you're planning to go back and make a few adjustments. Quick thing before we dive in, you can try AutoCut completely free for 14 days, no credit card needed. Link in the description. Alright, next, in silence management, you choose how your silences get handled on the timeline. You can remove them and join your clips together, keep them and just get the cuts, mute their sound, or remove them while keeping a small gap, so without joining the clips. Me, to save time, I always go with remove silences. Last but not least, transitions. This one's huge. It completely changes how smooth each cut feels. J-cut makes the audio from the next clip start before its image appears for a smoother cut. L-cut keeps the audio from the previous clip going after the next image shows up. Overlap makes the two clips overlap for a split second. And constant power creates a smooth audio crossfade between two clips. If you pick J-cut, L-cut, or overlap, you can set the transition's length right here like this. Personally, I like using constant power for a smooth result that's not too dynamic. Last step. To see exactly what will be kept or removed on your timeline, check the live preview right up here. It updates in real time. Look at that. If everything looks good, click Cut and Delete Silences. And that's it. AutoCut's magic kicks in. Look, your silences are gone automatically super fast. And right now, AutoCut is adding smooth audio crossfades between each cut. You've got clean, ready to edit footage. And with the new update, AutoCut is now the fastest tool out there for cutting silences. We're talking audio analysis up to 9 times faster and transcription up to 59 times faster. To try AutoCut, link in the description, and subscribe for more tutorials.